Hello guys, another technique ulit involving your electrolyte imbalances. We will differentiate sodium, chloride, potassium, magnesium, calcium, and phosphorus. So, sabihin muna natin ano yung mga normal values niya. Yung sodium is 135 to 145. Next is chloride, 98 to 105. Potassium, that would be 3.5 to 5. Magnesium, that would be 1.5 to 2.5. Calcium, that would be 9 to 11. And your phosphorus, that would be 2.5 to 4.5. So first, let's differentiate yung dalawang nauna, si sodium at chloride. Pinagsama ko na to kasi they are directly proportional. So ano yung mostly na ina-affect nila? Always remember sodium chloride, brain, and blood pressure. Kapag sa brain, for example, if low ang iyong sodium, sa brain ang effect niya is dizziness. And kapag low naman ang sodium, magiging low din ang BP mo. And kapag mataas naman ang sodium and chloride mo, that sa brain mo, magiging irritability. And kapag mataas ulit sa BP mo, ang sodium, that would be high blood pressure. Okay, next is the potassium. Yung potassium naman, always remember, the organ involved here is the heart. So, out of all of the electrolytes, palaging tinitignan ang potassium. Kasi nagkakaroon ito ng dysrhythmia or other kinds of irregularities ng heart. So, kapag hypokalemia, i-highlight mo yung O at K dahil mas okay siya, pero nagkakaroon lang siya ng dysrhythmia. And then, dito naman sa hyperkalemia, i-highlight mo yung E at yung R kasi ipupunta mo na siya sa ER. Kasi meron na siyang VFib. Okay, yun po. Next is the magnesium. Always remember the mnemonic burp. Yung burp na po to, ito na po yung BP, urination, respiration, and patellar reflex. Yung apat po na yun, lagay ka po sa taas ng hypo and hyper magnesium. So kapag hypo, drawing ka ng arrow pataas kasi magiging baliktad po. Pag hyper naman, mag-drawing ka ng arrow na pababa. Kasi kapag hypomagnesemia, ang BP mo magiging mataas. Yung urination mo magiging mataas, respiration magiging mataas, and patellar reflex magiging mataas. Kapag hyper naman, magiging mababa yung BP mo, urination, respiration, and patellar reflex. So, ano ang ibibigay mo, for example, kapag meron siyang hypomagnesemia, that would be magnesium sulfate. And kapag toxicity naman, yung magnesium sulfate, that would be your antidote, calcium gluconate. Okay, last two, the calcium and phosphorus. Dito naman, magiging inverse sila. So ano ang ina-affect nila? Mostly muscle. The organ involved is muscle. Kapag meron siyang weakness, mas mataas si calcium and mababa naman si phosphorus. Kung meron naman siyang constipation, mataas si calcium, mababa si phosphorus. So, yun lang po ang ating tatandaan. Kapag meron siyang, hallmark sign ng hypocalcemia. Kapag may hypocalcemia, mataas si phosphorus. So, ano yung makikita mo? Chivostek, yung twitching, facial spasm, or yung troso. Yung nag-a-apply ka ng BP cuff and nagaganon. And yun po ang sign ng hypocalcemia. At sana po napadali. Bye-bye!